Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In an upcoming landscape workshop, I will be doing again what I call the start to finish, because many artists would like to see me finish a landscape from start to finish. So this particular time, I have selected this piece of artwork. This artwork is called the Waterfall, and of course, the main subject is a waterfall. And this particular artwork has won the an award at the Sumi-e Society of America uh, Annual Exhibition in 2007. I believe it was in Long Island, New York, and selected by a renowned judge from Korea. So this particular waterfall, we will do it from start to finish. And we will talk about how to, create a waterfall, the misty effect at the bottom of the fall, the different texture stroke for the rocks, and also the color application, because as you can see in this particular landscape, the limited palette actually give it a tranquil feeling. So I would like you to join me in this creation of an artwork from start to finish, an award-winning waterfall that is has received an award from the Sumi Society of America National Show. So I hope to see you. Thank you. Bye-bye.